What we completed? The Saturday session. We completed our Saturday session material, which was pending. And then we moved on to our Sunday session topics. We learned about some multiple function. We learned about arrays. We learned about multiple functions in NumPy, how to flatten the array and all, everything below. And so if you guys are having any kind of doubts in any kind of thing in NumPy, please do let me know. First, I will clear those doubts and then we will move forward. Okay. And now coming to you, Supradeep, you told me you have done till Ravel. So, do you want me to continue with Ravel only, or do you want me to continue from this reshape or flattening part? Can you please let me know that? From Ravel. Okay. So, Ravel now it is nothing. It is a very, very easy function in Python. It is just that Ravel is going to flatten a multi-dimension. Flattening means converting a multi-dimensional array into a 1D array. So we are having three functions for that. We are having Ravel. That is a 2D array which is getting converted into 1D. We are having flatten function and we are having reshape function also, which we can use as -1, and it will get flattened from multiple dimension to the one dimension. That is basically Ravel, flatten and reshape. Okay, Supradeep? Clear? After that, we learned about views and copies. We learned about views and copy. So view and copy basically they yeah, views and copy. What are they basically? Let me complete this first now, Ankita. Then I will take Linspace as well. So view and copy. What is this? Basically creating a copy out of the original. Okay, but view it shows the same data as the original. So if you're making any change in the original one or in the view which you have created out of the original, it is going to affect each other. And it is also non-contiguous. Other hand, copy is the independent copy. It is an independent new array which you are going to create. If you are making change in one, it is not going to affect the other. It is not going to affect the other. And it is contiguous. Data stored in one continuous block of it. And here I have done some examples like this is the array here. First we created a view. And then I made the change in A. I made the change in A, not B. If I printed A, then also change is noticeable. When I printed B, change is noticeable. But when I did the same thing with copy, in A, though change is there, but in B, change is not, which is proving my theory. Okay, Supradeep? Okay, Supradeep? Great. And now let's come to your question, Ankita Linspace. Linspace was, a second. Here. Just remember this thing for the Linspace. Starting, ending, and how many. You have to give three values in Linspace. First of all, starting, from where you want to start. Then the ending, from where you want to end. And how many numbers you want. How many total numbers you want in your array. See, starting from 7, ending at 20, and total, if you will count, there will be 50. Total, if you will count, there will be 50, and all the numbers are between 7 to 20 only with same interval, means same difference. Okay, Ankita? Okay, Ankita? Ankita? It is not empty, Ankita. Ankita, it is not empty. It is number 7 only. See here, it is having this much big, na? So it is just having the space over there. It is not empty. It is number 7. Then to here also you can say it is empty. 20 is empty. It is not empty. It is not empty. This is not empty. It is not giving us randomly. It is not giving us randomly. We have given here 50 numbers. So 7 to 20, it has to give us 50 numbers. So what it is doing? 7, after that it is taking 7.26. Then 7.53. It is taking the number at the fixed interval. At the fixed interval, which can give me exact 50 numbers. Same difference they are having in between. Now got my point, Ankita? Got it. Any other doubts, anyone in the topics? Any other doubts, anyone in the topics? Any other doubts in the topics, guys? Anyone? Any doubts? Anyone, any doubts over here? If no one is having doubts, just put a no in the chat box. Okay, that's great, Anuj. Great, Ashwarya. How about others? Very good. Are you guys done with the homeworks? Are you guys done with the homeworks?
And
Are you
13
guys
question,
done with the homeworks? What?
ma'am, in the question, the homework,
Hmm.
that you already mentioned that you will get a different answers. It depends
Yeah.
upon your computer and everything. That is randomly coming. That is right. But in the question number 13 of second homework, you have given one answer, but that is not coming when we are doing it with the coding.
13. This question only you're talking about.
1 minute. 13th. No, not this one. This is the first one, right? The second one you have given to us. The second homework.
I've given both the homeworks together that day, actually. Okay.
After 20, you started with another one, right? That one I'm asking. Hmm.
This is the question you're asking. This is just NP dot
Um,
zeros.
okay,
Okay.
ma'am. I'll come back to you. I'll go to my collab and come back to you. 1 minute.
Okay, let me do one thing. Guys, one by one, let me give you guys these files. Take your time and go through these codes. Okay. So right now, I have sent you guys the solution one. Yes. That is the part 1. That is part 1 or part 2. Okay, no problem. I'm sending you guys both of them. Guys, I have sent you all both the files. Please go through them, and if you guys are facing any kind of issues and any questions, then do let me know. Okay? I will be on mute. I'm giving you guys 10 minutes. Please go through those questions. Questions are very easy. And let me know if you guys are having any kind of doubts. Ankita, that thing I have told you guys before also in the session, when you are having 1D array, shape always gives you the total number of elements, comma. Okay? When you are having 1D array. Guys, do let me know when you guys will be done, okay? I will be waiting for your response, guys.
Ma'am, in every cell we do have to write as a import numpy as NP in every cell, right? Is it we
No,
can
no,
continue
it's
with the
not
same
needed.
cell or what?
No, no, in every cell it is not needed. Just one time to do, you do, and then it will be done. Okay. It's just that it is the homework question, so you guys will not get confused. That is why I have done. This 18th question are you talking about? Ankita?
Shape 1 by 2 to 5. In a 13th solution. 13th. I got only 1 to 9, but not 10.
Which question are you talking about, Sudha?
It's 13th, ma'am. 13th of second homework. That means problem statement create a 2D array of a shape 2 and 5 with the numbers 1 to 10. Use Ravel to flatten the array. 13th.
Yeah, see,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one,
Because,
huh?
yeah, that I wrote it everything, but I didn't put that reshape 1, comma 2. That 2, comma
Which
5.
shape only you will get, na then?
Yeah. No, everything came, but 10 only is not coming.
10 only it's not coming, sorry?
Yeah, when I
Right.
put
This one
everything.
will be the issue then. In arrange, what you have done? 1, comma 11 only, na?
Yeah, 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 I did.
Send me your code. Let me check.
1 minute. Just now I deleted and put it yours. Just 1 minute.
Yes, what is the issue over here, Ankita? What is the issue over here, Ankita? Yeah, random function. It will give you randomly. It will give you randomly. That is just given over here. It will give you randomly only. Exact output will differ. Here note also I have put it, na? Okay. And so that you do send me your code. Why are you putting commas stuff over there? I'm getting 10, Sudha. There is no issue. I'm getting 10. There is no issue in the code, Sudha. Must be a
Commas
compiler
1 to
issue
10.
not getting 10.
Okay, okay,
Okay?
okay.
Must be a compiler issue. Okay, everyone, please do let me know now. Are you all done with the codes? Are you all done with the homework codes? Are you done? What data type? I'm just putting D type is equals to float. I told you guys about the D type attribute, no? I told you guys about the D type attribute. So it is integer right now. Just put D type is equals to float and it will get changed. Nothing else, okay? That we have already discussed in the class, Ankita. We have integer, we have float, we have string, we have boolean. Okay? Integer, float, string, boolean. Where are you getting confused? Tell me. Where are you getting confused? Clear? Great. And guys, I'm asking something. Are you all done? Are you all done with the homework questions? Is there any confusion? Please do let me know so that I can clear this out. Done and clear? Great. What about others? Few minutes? Okay. What is the time right now? Okay, I'm giving you guys time till 35, 8:35. Okay. After that, we will start. Okay, that's great, Sudha. So now I will just close these notebooks and this. Okay, just close this as well. Okay. So now, guys, now it's time for your part number 6. Just give me a sec. So guys, part number 6, as always, it is going to be a challenge. It is going to be a challenge, math challenge game. Let me just show you guys, first of all, the problem statement. The math challenge game using NumPy. So what are we going to do? We are going to create an interactive Python program where the user solves 3 mathematical puzzles. This math challenge game is a Python program which is designed to demonstrate the power and efficiency of NumPy for handling large data sets and performing mathematical operations. The game consists of 3 mathematical puzzles that involve working with large arrays of random numbers to perform specific tasks like summation, subtraction, and multiplication. So the puzzle number 1, which we are going to create, is sum of a large array. Task is you have to generate an array with what? 10 lakh random numbers between 0 and 1. And calculate the total sum of these numbers using NumPy's np.sum function. np.sum function. Now, measure and display the time taken to complete the summation. Expected output, it is going to be changed for you guys because random integers we are going to take. Then puzzle number 2, subtraction of 2 large arrays. Now, in this time, create two arrays, each with 5 lakh random integers between 0 and 1. Now subtract the second array from the first, element by element using NumPy vectorized subtraction, and display the first 5 results from the subtraction operation and measure the time taken to perform the operation. And puzzle number 3 is element-wise multiplication. Same thing. This time you have to create 2 lakh random numbers between 0 and then multiply the array element by vectorized multiplication. And this time also you have to display the 5 first results. And this is how the expected output should look like. So in total, 3 puzzles you guys are going to create. In total, 3 puzzles you guys are going to create. So first of all, just tell me, are you guys clear with the problem statement? Are you all clear with the problem statement? Everyone. So let's do the solution then. Let's do the solution part then. So there is the solution. Let me just copy paste the solution first and I will take the time to explain you guys. The solution is going to be very, very easy. So first of all, because I'm using NumPy, so I will be needing NumPy. And I am going to take the time for the starting and for the ending for each puzzle. So I will be needing import time. And then just starting the heads up, math challenge game, performance test using NumPy. Then we are having puzzle number 1, sum of a large array. Now, just print puzzle number 1, then large array. I want 10 lakh random numbers. How will I get 10 lakh random numbers? From the random module of NumPy dot ran. And I will get each and every number between what? 0 and 1. 0 and 1. After that, I have to do the sum, but I have to calculate time also. So just starting time, time.time, get the sum, np.sum of that all large array, then calculate the ending time and get the result. Why I'm using 0.2f? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell why are we using 0.2f over there? Anyone? I have already explained this thing in the class. Anyone? Why 0.2f?
We are using a 2 times, so
No, no, we are going, Navya is correct. Two decimal values will be at the end. Round off, two decimal values at the end. Okay? And for time taken, end time minus start time, for that I'm doing 5 because I want 5 decimal values at the end. So tell me, is this first puzzle clear? Is this first puzzle clear, guys? Is this first puzzle clear, everyone? Okay, great. Now, guys, puzzle number 2. Subtraction of two large arrays. Subtraction of two large arrays. Now, puzzle number 2, subtraction of two large arrays. Just create two random. Just create two. Just give me a sec, guys. Just give me a second. Okay, so what I was saying, guys, puzzle number 2, subtraction of two large arrays. Puzzle 2 is subtraction of two large arrays. Array number 1, array number 1, array number 2. How? Again, 5 lakh, 5 lakh, I want it both. So with the help of rand function, just create both of them. Now, start time. Again, just subtract both of them, time dot time, again for the ending. But now this time I want only the first 5 elements. How will I take the first 5 elements? With the help of what? Slicing. Slicing. Start from 0, end at 4. Positive indexing. And get this also. End time minus start time. What time you are taking for this puzzle. This is your puzzle number 2. Easy, right? Easy, right, guys? Tell me, isn't it easy? Great. Now, puzzle number 3 is exactly the same. Puzzle number 3 is exactly the same, just that this time you have to create 2 lakh random numbers in the array and you just have to multiply. No difference at all. Go through this code, guys. Go through this code and let me know if you guys are having any kind of issues. That is slicing we have done in the class now. If there is nothing in the front, that means it is starting from 0. That means it is starting from 0 and 5. That means 5 minus 1, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is first 5 elements. Okay, so that?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
I got confused with like indexing. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Challenge is easy this time, right? Challenge is very easy this time, right, guys? I think got the response. Didn't you guys find it easy? Come on, others also let me know. Easy or not? Great. Now let's run this as well. See, answer also we are getting perfectly. So everyone clear with the challenge. Everyone clear with the challenge of this week. Everyone clear with the challenge of this week. Responses, guys. Great. So guys, now it's time for your post quiz. I have sent you guys a post quiz link. Yeah, same value that you will never get. It is random. Randomly you are going to get the numbers, John. Okay? Guys, I have sent you all the post quiz link. Please perform your post quiz link and let me know the marks. I've sent you guys in the chat box. I will be on mute. Please perform your post quiz and let me know the marks. Just give me a second, Ankita. Let me just open it. Question 9, question. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Question number 8. What will array 2 ratio minus 1 do in a 2D numpy array? That is what you're asking. Okay, give me a second. Now 2 ratio 1 2D numpy array. Let's say 2D numpy array looks like this. Okay, let's just say my 2D array looks like this. So 0, 1, 2. And for this, it has said minus 1. What do you think? What should be the answer? What do you think? What should be the answer? What should be the answer? Tell me. Tell me the answer for question number 8, guys. Tell me the answer for question number 8, guys. Come on. Select the last element of the last row. Select the last element of all rows from the second row onwards. Tell me. Second option. You
It's
sure?
not.
Yes, it will select the last element of all rows from the second row onwards. From the second row onwards.
Second
2
option,
ratio
ma'am.
means starts from the rows index 2 and minus 1 means select the last column. Okay, Ankita? Okay, Ankita? Great. Any other thing you guys want me to explain? Any other questions you guys want me to explain?
Ma'am, 10th question, we usually use that np.random.rand, right? But in that answer, it is given that as random.random.
Give me a second now. 10th question are you asking?
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. Random also is there a function. Random is also a function. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Guys, if there is no doubt, please do let me know as a no in the chat box. If there is no doubt, just put a no in the chat box. Ninth question. Which function will flatten a multidimensional array? Just select both B and C because reshape will be -1. You have to put reshape -1. So B and C will be the answer. Okay? Reshape function -1 also you have to put. So flatten and travel will be the answer for that. Great. Great. Okay, everyone. So with that, our part number 6 is also completed. So that with that, we have come to the last part. That is AI tool of the week. What is the AI tool of the week this time, guys? What is the AI tool of the week this time? Anyone?
DeepSeek.
Yes, DeepSeek. Very good. So I'm opening DeepSeek, and this time, you guys give me the questions. We will ask DeepSeek. Any question you guys want to ask DeepSeek today? Flappy Bird game. Okay. Here it is. It is creating a game for you, but it is having some things which we haven't even discussed in the class. So, yes. So, yes, it can create a Flappy Bird game for you guys. Any other question you guys want to ask? And I'm so sorry, I will not be able to run this code in the Google Colab because Flask in Google Colab doesn't work. For that, we have another compiler which I will introduce in our later classes. Okay. So Meenakshi has, yeah, this is a game, na, real time game which we can play also, Sudha. And we are having one question in real life where the random function is useful. Give any example. See, science and research most crucial. In your lottery games also it is only used. Quality control, technology and computing. Create 3D object. What kind of 3D object you want to create, Krishu? What kind of assignment? According to that only I will be able to let you know. Okay, so Sohidul is asking how to stay motivated while working and learning. The foundation, mindset, and perspective. Find your why, the North Star, which I always say. Embrace the process, not the outcome. Design thinking process. Design thinking. A 3D object kind of like in PPTs, or you want to put something as a 3D object, or in coding you want to do. Because if you have wanted like emojis and all to put in your thinking project, then you can use Platicon and all. Yeah, Platicon is free. Yeah, animations also you can get over from there. Krishan, for this purpose, now I would say please message me on WhatsApp. There I will be able to help you more proficiently, not in the class, okay? Message me on WhatsApp for that. Okay, Rishu? Yeah. So here is the answer for your question, Sohidul. Most welcome. Okay, guys. So with this, now our today's session is also completed. Tell me, guys, if there is any doubts in our whole session. Any doubts in our whole session, guys? Everything is clear?